Let's learn and grow. L. L is for llama. Let's make a cute llama. Let's start with the cute eyes. Then the nose and mouth. Now ears like these. Now its furry body. Next, let's add some beautiful scenery for our friend Llama. Now let's color it. Let's start with light brown. Now, dark brown. Pink in the ears and nose. Then light and dark green for the cactus and other plants. A bit of red in the cactus flowers. Now, let's add some shades of brown to the hills and ground. Now lighten dark blue in the clouds above. Finally, let's blend all the colors together to give them a smooth finish. Look at our adorable llama. That fluffy fur, the little cacti, and those bright blue clouds turned out so cute. Our llama looked really happy here. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, check the links in the description. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.